Eastside.
What's the Stony DVD?
Stony Island DVD.
Contact booking info. Contact eclecticfashion@gmail 708-928-0003.
Free AB, free AD, free Lil Cuz, J Money on Dummy, man. We out here sack life, man. Really on that.
Hey, Rag Boys, what up with Rag Boys, Low Soul, you know what I'm talking about? Shout out to all the guys that's coming up, you know what I'm saying?
Shout out Bird and BC.
Castro, what up, guy?
Hey, check it out.
Fast
check it
was
out.
good.
Check it out. Now you see, I got DVD with Capo, my nigga Boss Wu, Saint, TFO, the guys right here. This is a shorty right here gonna get you on them bars real soon, real soon. And y'all know we got Waka Flocka, LEP, Bo Deal, Capo, Boss Wu. Everybody's on Stony Island. You ain't official. You ain't official, right? Cold Steel, Block Boys. You ain't official if you ain't on Stony Island DVD. Global Gangster, shout out to Global Gangster.
You not official. You not official. TFO, we too fucking official, man.
Shout out to my niggas, man.
Gotta be
Shout out to
TFO.
my niggas. My nigga Moped, a beast. Everybody, J Doe, everybody, Era. Your Highness, Twan, everybody. We gets down out here.
Eastside, we out here, man.
Over east, man.
We on the streets.
Big Beats. We gonna do this. Same.
Shout out to the block, man. Shout out to.
And we got good beats. And we got good beats.
We got Good Boy Beats.
He doing his thing.
Good Boy Beats. I don't like doing all the talking, I just like showing. So Good Boy Beats. Boss Wu Project was the first joint. You know
All
what I'm saying?
doped up.
I got Knowledge Project coming out. That's low key, brain power. Shout out to the whole Brain Project. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, Brainiac. Yeah, oh, he is one of the.
I'm a part of the Brainiac shit. Shout out to Knowledge, man.
Shout out to Knowledge. You know what I'm
Get
saying?
Boss Wu
I gotta call
on
him.
his projects.
Yeah, man. Check them projects out, man.
Man.
Can't Rush Greatness, all doped up.
You know what I'm saying?
12 rounds. You can check all them out on live mixtapes, man.
I forgot to tell them. I forgot to tell y'all what's going down.
Yeah.
Y'all in tune, man. It's about to, hey, it's no talking, man. Finally, global mixtape DVD coming soon. We in the works. We ain't gonna talk about it. We gonna be about it.
It's gonna be
Shout out to the Kush Cowboys, Low Soul, Denny G.
Yeah.
I don't want to forget nobody.
My
My nigga Chris Smokes, man.
100.
My nigga Chris
Lil
Smokes.
Young, Flying the Tank.
D the Flame.
You know what's going
Lil
on.
Didi, what's up? Steve Breadhead, what's up?
What's poppin'?
My little son K-Lo,
Wild
Nucci, Lil Step. Y'all already know we coming out here, man.
From the south to
Capo,
the north
get
to the east.
that, cause I want niggas to see, right? I want to
talk.
make sure niggas get that. Make sure you get that.
Hey,
Go get that.
they need to add that Instagram. Add my
Right, make sure you
Instagram,
go
man.
catch that.
ChatmanBoys88. Add my Twitter, ChatmanBoys88. Add that No Talking Chicago page. Add Instagram, man. Get into them. Hang with
Stay
me.
on Twitter.
Hang with me too. Trendsetter of the year.
We stay
Trendsetter
on
of the year.
Twitter. 7-1.
I'm hiding a bit.
Fuck Fame. My nigga Fuck Fame.
Fuck fans. Shout out to Kings.
Shout out Dave.
My nigga right. My nigga Fuck
Shout
Fame.
out Broadway, man. We over
Broadway
here.
75.
Yeah.
My nigga Broadway 75. My
Little
nigga
lad.
DJ Sun.
Little lad.
Oh wow. My little son. Them
MTG,
are-
man.
That's a whole new
MTG,
story.
man.
I had to tell a
RIP
whole
Millie, man.
new story
RIP
about them
We
niggas.
really in the
That's
streets,
another
B.
story.
Eastside.
Man, we
Feel
over
me.
east, man. We on my, man, we really on my homie and them. Shout out Kenji, Noomball, man. We over here east side, big homies, man. Y'all know about it all way, everything, man. No
Boss
talking.
Wu in a lot of videos though. You know what I'm
we
saying?
trending.
Boss Wu in a lot of
Trending
videos
and blending.
from back in the day. So you got to go back and look and catch him on the
Old
videos.
style money dance.
He like me, he got a million videos like me.
What's up, Jordan?
Shit.
It's
Eastside.
Urban 101 right
Stony
here.
Island DVD, man.
Shout out to
T3
Urban
edition.
101. You know what I'm talking about? Shout out to
Urban 101, for
Yeah,
sure.
Fake Short Drive.
Oh, shout out to Chase and Dope.
Drew, man.
Chase and
Shout
Dope.
out
Shout out to
Chase
Chase and Dope.
Davis and Low Key, man.
Yeah.
Leesky sack money on the other one.
Go hard too.
Hey, man, I need to go back.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm over here.
Hold them
CO5.